I'm going to be showing you how to set up and use VPN on an iPhone. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So what you need to do is just download a third-party VPN app. So in order to do that, you need to open your App Store. Just go to your app library and search for App Store, which is right there at the top. Just go ahead and open it. You can just type in VPN. You need to make sure that you really trust the app because VPN is a very evasive application that can monitor your Wi-Fi or connection. So make sure you choose a trustworthy VPN. Once you've done that, then just download that VPN. I'm going to be choosing Thunder VPN right here. Just go ahead and open it. And once you've done that, just open your app, the one you've downloaded, and just connect it. Once you've connected it, you just need to go back and check your settings. Here in VPN and device management, tap on VPN again, and you will find Thunder VPN right over here. Your iPhone will recognize the VPN and it'll add here. And what you need to do in order to use the VPN is just toggle this on, and you have successfully connected your VPN. So there you go. That's how you set up and use VPN on an iPhone. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.